I make selfie because before we go to the mother or the tita or madam. Or in the room of Sisi. Okay, matutulog ko pa. Tingnan mo pa naman. Ba natin? Okay. Ayan. Yung blue. Tapos yung ano ko, yung shoes ko. Ano ba yan? Naka black shoes o dark blue pala. Ito na lang, hindi ko kasi nasuot ulit. Kaya sinubukan ko yung suot ulit. Hindi naman siya, kasi doble naman sa loob. Naka-jacket lang. Diba? Kasi tumawag pa si madam ng taxi, ng Karim. Kaya ayan, nag-video muna ako. Para idagdag ko doon sa na-video ko pa sa mga galing sa animals, zoo. Okay? Okay. Jacket naman din. Saka okay na rin yan. Hindi naman yan. So, longpot. Hindi masyado. Okay. Tapos, sabay salamin. Okay? Ayos natin. Mahaba na yun. It's make it long na yung hair ko. Okay, ang Dr. Jatan, Madam, she's calling me. Yellow dress. Okay. Tapos make it go. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. And shout out nationwide and worldwide. Tatay Billy, magpapagaling ka. God with us. Okay. And I wish that you are watching my video. You subscribe also to me. It's December. I got a gift from new subscriber. I wish. Share, comments, like. Thank you. My style of my YouTube channel is different because I am the one who tell personally to subscribe the way I talk. Okay, and shout out and thank you very much. And good night. No, it's not yet good night to all Iraq and to all what's that. Kasi everybody is out. Everybody they go out now. Because tomorrow is Friday. Weekend, so enjoy. Keep safe lagi, especially in your driving with your car. Okay, Yela, bye. Bye. Yes, okay, Yela, bye.